It's about 7:45 in the morning. I'm so tired, but we need to get this show on the road because of one thing that I have been talking about for so long now. Can y'all even see this? Look at my tires, bro. Look at my tires. Where's the other one? It's somewhere over there. We're going to get this squared away today. Bring y'all over here and show y'all the aftermath of an accident that I was in like a few months ago, and I just never got it fixed. Look at this, bro. Look at this. Lucky enough, I have another wheel that I'm gonna put on the car. And before I get on the road, we need to get this thing out of the garage. My truck is parked behind it, so we need to play some music for cars. I feel like since we moved into this neighborhood, I've been quite a good neighbor, and my neighbors like me. I like my neighbors. But here comes the unfortunate part about staying next to me. I'm gonna just go ahead and say I'm sorry in advance, but we gotta get these cars moved. Oh, and I know Kiara gonna be mad. I ordered some more and put some give this thing some TLC. I have another one of these though. I'm gonna change it out on this side and I'm gonna change it out on this side too. Even though this side didn't break, but it does have some micro cracks in it. So I'm just going ahead and change it out anyways. Well, let me just go ahead and be the good neighbor that I am and turn this off for now. And now to go inside and get me some of this low quality coffee because I don't know, I have that whenever I am in a rush, and so when I don't feel like making a full pot. So I'm gonna show y'all what that is in a few. I looked at some of these clips from this camera, and this ND filter was needed, but God, my neighbor's gonna be mad, boy. And hopefully this mic from Boya is a little bit better. I actually didn't know this little thing that allows the mic to swing. I forgot the name of it, but I did not know that that was supposed to help with the mic quality. And so that's something else that I learned. And I just want to go ahead and say Happy New Year's to everybody out there. This is January 1st that I'm recording this. And I told myself this year I would try to be better with being on time because I can never seem to be on time. But man, did I not connect this to my garage? I don't think I did. Whenever it comes to being on time, I'm gonna try to be better. This is gonna be the last time that I am just not on time, at least you know, not this much past being on time, because what time is it now? I was supposed to have my appointment for 8 o'clock and it's 8:35 and I'm just now about to leave home, which is not good. Ever take this way. Kiera comes on these back roads and I usually drive the interstate, so I don't really know where I'm going. I think I do, but I don't really know. So I'm just cruising. I got probably a 30 to 35 minute drive to where I'm supposed to go, and then I should be there. Wait, was I supposed to turn right there? No, I turned a curve, I think. Oh wait, I think I keep straight. And then I turn right. And then I turn left. I think. My ride then pulled up at the wrong parking lot. Let me run over here. What's it doing?
Strange for a piece of change.
What I told you? Got me freezing. Yeah, we gotta go to Home Depot. And you about to get me demonetized. I need my little coins. My little 2 cents for 5 views.
Put your seatbelt on so we can be safe. We got to chop and screw that thing.
I guess you just don't care, huh?
Year.
Cause you already need a new motor.
What?
You flying?
I'm not.
Okay.
I'm just going 52.
What you just said.
Happy New Year.
She say Happy New Year. I'm home.
Your boy was sick with the flu.
What we gonna eat?
I need some water. I'm parched. But that's a good question.
But I never told y'all. Well, I think I started out telling y'all, but I need to go a little bit more in depth. So we moved into our house September 1st of this year.
Oh yeah.
And well, last
August
year
30th.
should I say. And before then, somebody on the interstate tried to merge. Okay, I was driving down the middle lane and they were driving down the middle lane too. They were behind me. They were behind me. It was 2 cars in front of me, then a car behind me. And I guess the person behind me said we were driving too slow, and so they tried to merge into the left lane and speed past me, but they didn't know 2 cars were in front of me, and we were driving slow because there was people in the left lane doing like construction or something to the interstate, and he didn't know that. So he tried to get back over into the middle lane, and like he was beside the car in front of me. Little did he know that car wasn't budging. They were not about to let him over, and so I was just cruising, and he threw on brakes and then tried to get over last minute and sideswiped the back of my car, which is why the rim is broke like that. I had to put it in the shop like a few days after we moved into our house, and I just got it back in like, okay, I think it might have been like the end of October. Basically now, at the top of the year, I'm getting some tires to put on a new wheel that I have, and I gave it to them, and hopefully whenever we get back to the tire shop, everything's good, fine and dandy. And if they care for me enough, they would give me a free alignment. They probably don't though, but that would be nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, so what you think? How you think? Well, how do you feel about
this?
No, about our situation where what you passed Home Depot?
We're going the wrong direction. We're supposed to go the other way.
So why you went this way?
I forgot. I thought it was that way until I realized.
But how you feel about me having my black car back and driving it?
I mean, I'm happy for you. I know you want to be in it to make your content, and that's his real love. But I'm not so excited about you starting it up in the morning.
I am, cause our neighbor, he has this truck with some exhaust on it, and every time he started up, I'm just like, bruh, make me awake the beast. Awake the beast. What? Y'all like that?
So loud.
Yeah, it's loud.
It rumbles.
We got some Chargers and stuff and Mustangs in our neighborhood that be loud.
But you take the cake.
That's my little story time to tell y'all what's been up with my Genesis. And y'all about to start seeing a lot more of me because I'm taking this year to elevate myself. And like I already gave you the rundown in the last video, so if you didn't watch that, go ahead and check that out. If you had any questions about my plans for this year and where I've been, but we about to go into Home Depot to pick up some stuff, and then I might just wait until we pick my car back up to update y'all on the rest of my day. So
all right, we call y'all back. Bye. Cause in the club we all bang.
That was so ugly.
Don't put it in there.
Alright. Well, just pulled over at this spot, not too far from my home actually. And feel like I'm in the middle of nowhere. Man, my car look good even though I need to wash it. Good. Can't stun on. Look at it. See, it's times like this that I just look at my car and I'm like, yeah, it's fine. But a quick little synopsis on the tires that I bought. They're Lexanis. I did not pay that much for them because I have come to a realization that I don't need to be spending a few $100s per tire anymore, especially whenever I don't race the car like I thought I would be. And I know I'm trying to get into autocross and track racing and that type of thing, but I think I'm gonna start spending less money on my commuter tires that go on these wheels and actually put forth the time, effort into purchasing some more wheels, a brand new set of wheels, and put some race spec tires on there. I can't really complain about these Lexanis. The drive quality on them, I can't really give you my honest opinion on that because my car needs an alignment bad. The steering wheel shakes a lot and it's tilted to the left. I've been needing an alignment for so long now, so I can't get the real feel out of these tires yet. So I will be scheduling an alignment very soon, probably try to get that done this weekend, and then I'll be able to tell y'all how I really feel about them. This is where I'll be ending today's video. I didn't really have much to record today, but I just wanted to get the camera back out and get more acquainted with vlogging again because I do want to start back vlogging an awful lot, and this is going to be the start to that. If you aren't subscribed to the channel, you might want to go ahead and subscribe because I will be posting content on the regular and you wouldn't want to miss out on that. Leave a like on the video and comment down in the section below, leave some positive vibes, and I will catch y'all in the next video. But as for now, I'm about to head to my house and actually try to wash this thing and get some more content for Instagram and probably YouTube Shorts. Let me know if there's any specific videos that y'all want to see with me and or the car and the car community, or just anything that you would want to see, and I'll try my best to make that content for y'all. But as I stated already, this is where I'm ending today's video, so always remember to do more, be more, believe more, and achieve more, and I thank y'all for watching.